Hi friends, this video shows how to fix all Wi-Fi related issues like Wi-Fi is connected but no internet or Wi-Fi is not connecting. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. Go to settings, tap on the settings app icon, go down, select general management. Under general management, select reset. Under reset, here we can see reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. Tap on that. Then tap on reset settings. Done. You can see Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings reset. So this way we can reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings and fix all Wi-Fi related issues like Wi-Fi is connected but no internet or Wi-Fi is not connecting. After this reset, you can again try to connect to Wi-Fi network, then enter Wi-Fi password. So that way you would be able to fix all Wi-Fi related issues. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please check it.